If tracking all your macros is too much, the simplified, lazy version of the ketogenic diet might be for you. Lazy keto is a popular variation of the very low-carb ketogenic diet. The classic ketogenic diet involves carefully calculating your intake of calories, carbs, fat, and protein to achieve ketosis. However, lazy keto is far less strict, as you only have to pay attention to your carb intake. In this video we will talk about lazy keto, its benefits and downsides, and whether you should try it. We make videos on topics such as keto, weight loss and nutrition, so if you want to learn more about how you can be healthier and fitter, then like this video and subscribe to our channel. Traditional keto diets require you to closely track your macronutrient intake and follow a strict, very low-carb, high-fat eating pattern that includes only moderate amounts of protein. The intention is to induce ketosis, which is a metabolic state in which your body burns fat as its primary source of fuel. Like most variations of the ketogenic diet, lazy keto too restricts your carb intake. Typically, carbs are restricted to around 5 to 10% of your total daily calories, or around 20 to 50 grams per day for most people. However, you don't have to worry about tracking calories, protein, or fat on lazy keto. Studies on different versions of the ketogenic diet say that they may offer many potential benefits, but lazy keto has not been studied specifically. Benefit number 1. Lazy keto may help you lose weight. Many studies suggest that keto diet helps in losing weight, even more so than the other low-fat diet. However, this effect is not unique to keto diet. Studies also show that any diet that reduces calorie intake and is followed long-term will likely lead to weight loss over time. Number 2. Lazy keto may help you suppress appetite. Even though lazy keto doesn't have any rules about calorie restriction, studies suggest keto diets may suppress appetite and food cravings. This may make it easier to reduce your calorie intake without feeling hungry. Number 3. Lazy keto may improve your blood sugar. Lazy keto, or keto diets in general, may help improve blood sugar in those with type 2 diabetes and reduce risk factors for heart disease. Keep in mind that the beneficial effects of keto diets are often attributed to being in ketosis. Since tracking your calories, protein, and fat intake and measuring ketones isn't required on lazy keto, dieters can't know whether they're truly in ketosis. However, there are a few major potential problems with lazy keto. Number 1. You won't be focused on the quality of food. For some people, going lazy keto might even include eating whatever they want as long as it fits within their carb count, including sugars, bad fats, grain-based fillers and chemical additives in packaged foods. Moreover, the traditional keto diet focuses on high-quality fat sources coming from omega-3 fats, monounsaturated fats, MCT oil, and other organic and grass-fed healthy animal protein sources. While on a lazy keto diet, your fat might come from foods that are high in vegetable oils laden with inflammatory omega-6 fats and processed meats. Low-quality fats are often considered pro-inflammatory, which is typically the root cause of every disease. Fat on any version of keto diet can either mitigate it or promote it, so the food quality is highly important. Eating processed meats and vegetable oils will certainly take you away from health instead of towards it. Number 2. You may not reach ketosis. Lazy keto might sound appealing to many because it's less restrictive and easier to follow than the traditional ketogenic diet. To reach ketosis, not only do you have to severely restrict your carb intake but also monitor your protein intake. That's because your body can convert protein into glucose, which is a carbohydrate, in a process called gluconeogenesis. Since on a lazy keto diet, you are not really keeping track of your macros, you might end up eating too much protein or too little fat, which could prevent ketosis altogether. Number 3. You might eat too few calories. Calories are extremely important on any diet because eating enough calories to meet your needs while also promoting weight loss helps the diet be more sustainable over the long term. Also, going too low on total calories can present risks, no matter the macronutrient ratio. Shifting the macronutrient ratio so significantly can impact hunger or fullness cues, and without tracking total calorie intake, you have no way of knowing if you're meeting your needs. Number 4. You might miss out on vital nutrients. Many carb-rich plant foods aren't allowed on the keto diet. That leaves very low-carb fruits and vegetables, like cauliflower, asparagus, and Brussels sprouts, as the primary sources of essential nutrients and antioxidants. Yes, you can take the help of supplements, but a well-balanced keto diet can also provide plenty of vitamins and minerals, which a lazy keto diet might be lacking. Like any other diet, a keto diet too must be customized to your individual needs, which is why it's so important to work with a professional to know what diet is best for you. Now, to the question, whether you should try a lazy keto diet. The simple answer is no. We do not recommend you to try a lazy keto diet. Lazy keto ignores the importance of your overall diet quality and may not induce the metabolic state of ketosis at all. Given that the diet restricts many healthy foods, it may be difficult to obtain all the nutrients you need, which could lead to deficiencies and poor health over time. Moreover, the long-term effects of lazy keto are currently unclear due to lack of research. The problem with the lazy approach is that it's counterintuitive to what the keto diet is meant to do. You have not addressed your patterns and your habits with food, you've just traded one kind of junk for another. It's important to keep in mind that no one eating plan is right for everyone, and carbohydrate needs in particular can be unique from person to person. That's why we recommend that people considering a new eating plan should discuss it first with a doctor or a dietitian. Thanks for watching. If you are looking for a personalized custom keto diet plan created by experts just for you, then click the link in the description below. If you found this video useful, then comment, like and subscribe as we regularly upload videos on keto and weight loss.